What's going on, family? Wanted to give you a quick preview of what I've been working on. I have a base model, a deluxe model, and a gold package. So I wanted to give you an idea of what comes on both. As for the base model, it comes in two different styles. The deluxe comes in two different layouts, and the gold package comes in two different layouts, so you can actually lay them out in two different ways. The gold comes side with the welder at the back or in the center. It's all on you. Or if you want the welder on the side. So I haven't did one like that, but we'll make it where you can pretty much arrange it like you want to. And this is, like I say, just an idea to give you an idea of what's going on. Like I say, the base models all will only have 2 posts on it. All base models will have 2 posts. All deluxe models will have 4 posts, and all gold packages will have 4 posts plus the reels. So they'll come with the extension cord reel, the cutting torch reel, and two welding lead reels. So they'll come with the reels and not the leads. So everything is just the reels. And this is also with that, you can get whatever you want. So you can pick what reel you want, and I'll show you the prices, so that way you'll see what that is. And pretty much you just getting charged for the extra layout. But the reels, the welding reels, actually I fabricated mine and kind of tweaked them out of air hose reels, 3/8 air hose reels that are hold 50 foot a piece with no problem. So but I'm working on the design to build my own right now. That's what I got going, so that's what I'm working with. So I just wanted to give you a small breakdown on what I've been building, to give you an idea of what's going on, utilizing my time. And this right here actually would be a gold package. As you see, it got 3 bottles, the reels on it, the pole for your fire extinguisher. You got your reel. So it all depends on what size you want as far as your extension cord and your cutting torch reel. And as for your fire extinguisher, it don't come with the fire extinguisher, but I can add one. This is just for the welder. So the small fire extinguisher is actually if something happened to your unit. I always keep a 5-pound bottle with me when I'm going on commercial jobs. See it over there? I got it sitting over there. But this is for the skid to always be with the welder. So if something happened with it, you good. So like I say, this is just something that we came up with, man, that we utilize our time for in the desert. So this is one of my products. I've been getting my hog on. And I want to just show you, man, my design of my basic welding skids. Like I say, these is for trucks at 4x4 frames. They can fit in your work truck, no problem. They're structural sound, and it's easy to maneuver and get out. And they're not real heavy. They ain't extremely heavy. So as you see, I made them at an angle. You got a lot of open space, which allows you to have, if I made it with a flat plate all the way across the side, that was just unnecessary weight. So I wanted to cut down on the weight and just have what you needed to get things done. And that's what we did with the hog on welder skids. Black Phoenix.